Are you still clinging to the cumbersome lead-acid batteries? It's time to upgrade. Anern 12 volts lithium battery, your perfect alternative solution. Say goodbye to battery capacity guesswork. With one click, the intelligent LCD screen lights up, and the voltage status is instantly clear. The core is strong enough to talk about lifespan. The brand new A-grade lithium iron phosphate battery cell with 6,000 ultra-long cycles, combined with the highly reliable intelligent BMS, extracts every last drop of electrical energy. Installation is extremely simple and perfectly compatible with a variety of inverters. It can also be connected in series with 4 units, doubling the capacity. Lifetime maintenance free, off-grid. Backup. UPS. It can handle all scenarios. Anern-LFP-A series lithium battery, power that remains online forever.